Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be looking at something we got on Amazon. It's the factory Bose Earcups replacements. Now we're going to do this in one take. So what we're going to do is replace these earcups and show you how easy it is. I think I got this handled. The box came with this instruction. And long story short, first step is to take off the 9 clips that are on the earcups of the factory headphones. So on these earcups there are 9 clips and we're just going to pull them right off. That's what this paper says, and it says to push the clips back on. The thing we're not going to be installing are these covers. So we're not going to be doing that just because I know that the ones that are in here are pretty good. They don't stink, they're not dirty, should be fine. With that said, let's get started. So first things first is pull off the 9 tabs. I think the best way to do this is get your finger. We can look at this one, and essentially we have to get our finger underneath these blue tabs. And there's this like plastic piece right here, so I'm just gonna find my finger and pull out. So let's do that on the right side. Oh, that was too easy. Now that was 9 tabs. Let's try to push these in. And I think those are in. Should be clicking in. Okay, number 1 complete. Let's do number 2. Pretty simple, you just can't be scared. Find your finger, grab the bottom of that tab and pull up. Now you can see it is kind of dirty. There is some stuff there, but should be fine. Now let's put this last one on and press on the last tabs. That's what I'm thinking. Pretty easy. Okay, so I did not get the right one fully in, but you can see all these tabs. They just need to be underneath your ear cups. So I got the left side handled down. Now it's just the right side. And there we go. I think it's fully installed. Again, what you want to do is just check again that you can count all 9 tabs. I didn't fully count in this video, but we're going to end this right here. And that was, I don't know, you can set a timer on that. I definitely will fast forward this video for the sake of time saving, but I do see 1 tab not made yet. You can see right here. So let's find the tab here. And there we go, we found it. Okay, so looking at the headphones, they do look like they're on and secure. I don't see anywhere else where the tabs have been missed. That's how to change the EarPads on your Bose QC35s. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for future content. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Press that bell icon to be notified when the next video comes out. And we have factory replacement EarPads on our Bose QC35s. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.